Good morning, students. Let us start session number 8, matrices. So, in last session we have learned how to multiply two matrices. Let us start now 3.2 question number 7. The question is given like this. X plus y means sum of two matrices x and y is equals to 7025 and their subtraction x minus y is given. The question is find x and y. Okay, so we know that if we have some equation in algebraic form, suppose we have x plus y equals to 10 and x minus y equals to 6. So by elimination method we can find out the solution. So same way here in matrix, what we'll do, let us say this as a equation number 1, equation number 2. Now here we have x plus y and x minus y. So adding equation 1 and 2 will give you here x plus x, that means 2x plus y and minus y cancel. Okay, so is equals to addition of these two matrices 7025 plus 3003. So answer will be here. Now addition of two matrices, so we will add corresponding elements. So 7 plus 3 10, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 0 2 and 5 plus 3 8. Here we have this is for 2x. So to find out x, we have to divide both the sides by 2. So 10, 0, 2, 8. Okay. Now when we multiply any scalar with the matrices, we have to multiply each and every element of the matrix by that particular element. So we have to multiply 10 by 1 by 2, same way 0, 2 and 8. So 10 into 1 by 2 will be what? 5, 0, 1 and 4. So value of x is equals to 5014. This is our x. Now placing this value of x in equation number 1 or 2, you will have the value of y. Okay. Now part 2 of question number 7. 2x plus 3y equals to 1 matrix given, 3x plus 2y equals to 1 matrix is given. Here the same question, find x and y. So here we can see that coefficient of x and y are different, so we can't add them directly. So what we need to do, either we will eliminate x or y from equation 1 and 2. So let us eliminate x from equation number 1 and 2. So multiply equation 1 by 3 so that the coefficient of x will become 6, and here multiply equation 2 by 2, so coefficient of x will become 6. Now when we are multiplying by any scalar, so we have to multiply both these sides, and we know that when we multiply matrix by scalar, we have to multiply every element by that particular scalar. So here 6x plus 9y, we have what we have done here, we multiplied equation 1 by 3. So 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9y is equals to 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, that way. Now when we multiply equation 2 by 2, we have here 6x plus 4y is equals to 4 minus 4 minus 2 and 10. Now to eliminate x, what we need to do? Let us change their sign, because actually we are separating these two equations. So this will become minus, minus and minus here. 6x plus and 6x minus cancel. So 0 matrix, 9y minus 4y, 5y is equals to subtraction of these two matrices. So 6 minus 4 2, 9 minus minus. So that will be 13, 12 minus minus plus 2, so 14, and here we have minus 2. Now this is for 5y. So y will be what? So y is equals to 2 upon 5, 13 upon 5, 14 upon 5 and minus 2. Similarly, with the help of y, you can find out x. Now sum number 8 and 9 homework, because they are of the same kind. Now let us start question number 10. Here in question number 10, we have this way, 2 into 1 matrix plus 3 into again 1 matrix, and this way. The question is find the value of x, y, z and t. So first of all, multiply the scalar inside the matrices. So here the scalar is 2, here 3 and 3. So ultimately this will become 2x, 2z, 2y, 2t. Same way when we multiply this matrix by 3, 3 minus 3, 0, 6. Here again multiply by 3 will give you 9, 15, 12 and 18. Now when we add two matrices, we have to add their corresponding elements that we have already learned in session number 6. So 2x plus 3, 2z minus 3, 2y plus 0 and 2t plus 6 is equals to 9, 15, 12 and 18. When now two matrices are equal, then we have to compare their corresponding elements. So 2x plus 3, 9, and this way we have total 4 equations, and simply you can find out here value of x, z, y and t. 2x equals to 9 minus 3, so 6, 2x is 6, so x is equals to 3. So you find out z, y and t. Now again sum number 11, 12 are homework. Now question number 13. If f of x is equals to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0 and 1. Question is, show that f of x into f of y is equals to f of x plus y. Now we know that whenever we have some algebraic equation, we can interchange their variables. So here we have this in f of x form. Variable is x. So to find out f of y, simply instead of x we'll put y. So f of y will be cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Now first of all, here LHS is what? F of x into f of y, and RHS is f of x plus y. So what will be the RHS? So f of x plus y, now instead of x we will put what? X plus y. So cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0, sin x plus y cos x plus y 0, 0, 0, 1. Let us say equation number 1. Now we will simplify LHS. So LHS is equals to f of x into f of y. So I have written here f of x and this is f of y. We have to multiply these two matrices. So in previous session number 7 we have learned how to multiply two matrices. Let us see it. First row with first column, second column and third column step by step. So first of all, first row and first column. Cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y, 0 into 0. Then cos x into minus sin x into cos y and 0 into 0. This is here, okay. And the last one is cos x into 0. So 0 minus sin x into 0, 0 and 0 into 1. That will be again 0. So I have multiplied these two matrices. So when we simplify, we will have here cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Here we have minus cos x sin y and minus sin x cos y, 0, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Same way minus sin x into sin y plus cos x into cos y, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now we know that cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is what? It's a formula for cos of x plus y. Here when we take minus sign common, we will have inside the bracket cos x sin y plus sin x cos y. So that will be the formula for sin x plus y. Then 0 is already there. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Third column and third row is 0, 0, 1. Now here sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. It's a formula of sin of x plus y. Here again it's a formula of cos of x plus y. So when we compare equation number 2 with RHS, both are same. So from equation 1 and 2 we can say that f of x plus y is equals to f of x into f of y. Now question number 15. Question number 15 is a square minus 5a plus 6i. If a is equals to, we have to find this value. Find the value. Okay. Now a square is what? So x square is x into x. So same way, a square is what? A into a. So to find out a square, we need to multiply a with a itself. So 2, 0, 1, this matrix A multiply by matrix A. So first row with first column 2 into 2, then 0 into 2, 1 into 1. Then again first row second column 2 into 0, 0 into 1, 1 into minus 1. Okay. Then 2 into 1, 0 into 3 and 1 into 0. Similarly, we will multiply second row with first column, second column and third column. Third row with first column, second column and third column. So a square will be 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1 and minus 2. Now to find out a square minus 5a plus 6i. here the question is what is I? So recall that I is what? Identity matrix. So when we here our A square and A, they are of 3 by 3 matrix. So I will be identity matrix in the form of what? 3 by 3. 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So A square I have written here. Now minus 5A. That means we have to multiply every element of A by 5. So let us multiply all the elements of A by 5. So 10 0 5, 10 5 15, 5 minus 5 0 plus 6I. So identity is what? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So I have multiply I by 6. So 6 0 0 0 6 0 and 0 0 6. Now to simplify this, 5 minus 10. So minus 5 plus 6 will give you 1. Then minus 1 minus 0 to minus 1 and again so minus 1. Similarly here 2 minus 5 minus 3 plus 0 to minus 3. So proceeding in the same way will give you this matrix 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 10 minus 5 4 and 4. This is your answer. Your homework is exercise 3.2 7 to 16 sums. Thank you.